Hello guys, today let's look at how to come up with this awesome design in Photoshop. So we will start by creating the background, then we bring in the image with the background cut out. Okay, then let's add this small frame here, and also let's bring in the details, the name, the time, venue, and also let's add the age. Okay, then also we add 1 week observation or whatever. So this is the final output. It looks awesome and amazing. By the way, if you want to get this PSD file, okay, to get this PSD file to use it in your workflow, don't hesitate to visit Google. So when you go to Google, search for all template paystack, then you click on the first link and you are going to be greeted with a page like this. Okay, so when you come to this page, we have other amazing designs over there, very affordable for you guys. Okay, so even if you are a beginner, you can still tap in. Okay, so I have created a Telegram platform. Just use the link in our bio. Okay, or under YouTube, check our description. You will see the link to our Telegram platform. We have a template for beginners that you can insert your details. Okay, that you're a graphic designer, and then you start selling out. Okay, so you start selling out to people that you're a graphic designer and you can do this service. So when you get a contract, then you visit our website, you download 1 or 2 files that will fit the job, and voila, you are good to go. Okay, and also if you're a beginner and you want to learn Photoshop from scratch, just tap in into our Telegram platform. We also have a course that is affordable for you. Until next time, peace out.